Marshall snacks.
Which one, Lane?
We're trying the brownie.
Okay, let's see.
And it's called Hunks. And brownie, and it's brownie bites with a little heart on it. So yeah, no, we're gonna try this first.
Okay, well, this is how the bag looks. Okay, I'm gonna pass it. Everybody wanna try a piece?
Yeah.
Okay. Ija, did you wash your hands? Okay. These some big old chunks. Don't try it yet. We're gonna try it at the same time. I got marker all on your hand.
I don't.
Not you, EJ and Ella. Okay, y'all ready? This is how it looks. It's like a big old block of chocolate.
Looks like Minecraft box. 3, 2, 1. Look.
How many calories is this? 120. I don't know. What y'all think?
Good.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's not like good like that.
Yeah, it's not. It's okay.
That's okay. In the middle.
It's not bad, but it's okay. Okay. Let's try the other one. Let's eat these first, then let's try the other one. So now, Ella, you want to tell them what we're going?
Yeah. We're trying, what did I say? Heavily Hunks and oatmeal chocolate chips. Can I open it? That wasn't that bad. Of course you love it because you love chocolate.
Me too. It's actually good now.
Here you go, EJ.
Mom.
Here's yours. Here's yours. Okay. 3, 2, it's 1. This.
It smells funny.
Oh, but this thing so bad.
But it's good though. Taste it.
Yeah,
It's good.
it still tastes good, but it's
How many calories is this one? Still the same calorie.
I really like the brownie. Is this healthy? Is this healthy? Oh, this looks like I don't like the brownie. That's why exactly I didn't eat it all. This is like it's healthy.
It's better than like a regular snack.
It's not like it's disgusting.
Okay, you try it, EJ?
I did.
What you think?
You know why you taking those little tiny bites?
You don't like it?
Maybe.
You like the brownie one better?
Either you can take mine. I don't even want to. Yeah.
So which one? What would you rate it?
8
8 out of 10.
10 out of 10. No. The brownies. I'll do those. I'll rate the brownies 8 out of 10. This is 10 out of 10.
Okay. What about you, EJ?
This is a 100 out of 100. I liked it a little bit, but I give it a 10. I give it 10 out of 7.
You mean a 7 out of 10?
I give it
Which one?
the brownie 2 out of 10. Oh, this one. I mean 1 out of 10. Nasty. I give this one a 1,000 out of 1,000.
I'm saving this one. You get that one 1,000 out of 1,000. Well, you give Ellie yours. Her the gift, because you don't want it.
No, I don't want that.
Why not?
Because I don't want no more.
Oh, okay.
I don't want and I just like it. Can we put after this, can we get a napkin to weigh it on? So if we don't like it, if we don't like it, can we just put on the napkin?
Okay.
So let me go get.
All right, so that's the end.
Wait! I got one more thing to last to say. Peace out, homies.
Okay, thanks for watching, y'all.
Bye.
Bye.
Can you not